Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by making sure core conditions are met and then act. First, confirm Windows 11 is up to date and that your headphones are physically connected or in Bluetooth pairing mode. Once done, open Settings and go straight to System Sound. You must choose the headphones under Output and click Set as Default. This forces audio routing. Also, check the volume slider and app-specific volumes. Problems often hide in per app settings, so adjust those now. Next, focus on drivers and system-level fixes because most persistent issues come from software conflicts. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then update the driver or roll back if a recent update caused issues. Once done, run Settings, troubleshoot other troubleshooters playing audio, follow automated steps. Make sure to disable any audio enhancements and set the correct sample rate and bit depth into finish with advanced recovery steps that resolve stubborn failures. Uninstall the audio device in Device Manager and reboot so Windows reinstalls the driver cleanly. If using Bluetooth, remove the device, restart Bluetooth services, and pair again. Update Bluetooth drivers if pairing fails. If audio still misbehaves, run sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated command prompt to repair system files. If nothing works, use system restore to revert to a point before the issue. This often undoes problematic updates or driver installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.